Hey guys, I'm out here today just to show you some things, like my dogs and my chickens too, because we have both of those. And we've got a nice place out here. And I just want to kind of show it to you guys. It's beautiful nature. We've got 4 dogs. Notice this one shoes up there. This is Dolly. This is Sky. This is Marshall. He's half bald. And this is Jewel. You know, it's great. And then I got some chickens to show you too. Yeah, it's great. No, I probably don't have much more to show you, but I probably could. No, not again, no! Oh.